Are you tired of lugging these heavy gas cans every time you refuel your boat? Well, today I'm going to show you an inexpensive little tool that makes this job a whole lot easier while also helping reduce the chances of accidentally spilling fuel. If you refuel your boat from gas cans while it's sitting on a dock or on a lift like this, you know it can be quite a challenge. I mean, these gas cans are pretty heavy, and depending on where your fuel fill is located, it can be difficult to hold that nozzle in place without spilling fuel. And those newer spill-proof gas can spouts seem to drip even more than the old style ones that they replaced. But fortunately, I recently found an easier way to transfer fuel using what's called a shaker siphon, which looks like this. It's basically a clear tube. In my case, it's I think 6 foot long, has a brass check valve on one end. They're inexpensive, about $10 to $20, and you can pick them up at Amazon.com, Bass Pro Shops, and many other locations. And they're easy to use too, which is what I'm going to show you next. To use it, simply place the brass end into the gas can and the other end into your boat's fuel fill. Then pump the brass end up and down a few times until the fuel starts flowing, and it might take a little while. Since it's a siphon, the gas can needs to be higher than your boat's fuel fill. So depending on your setup, you may need to either raise the gas can or lower your boat. And to make things a little easier, I actually marked the side of my hose with a Sharpie so I know when the brass fitting has reached the bottom of the gas can. And I also clipped the hose to my gas cap so it can't accidentally slip out while the fuel is flowing. You see, I got a 6 foot hose with mine, and I wish I had gone to 10 so I'd have a little bit more room so it would slip out. Now, once the siphon starts, the fuel transfers surprisingly quickly. So it only took about 2 minutes for all the gas to drain out, which is not bad considering that it normally takes me about 5 minutes with an unvented gas can like this. And that's all there is to it. A shaker siphon is a simple and inexpensive tool that makes refueling your boat from portable gas cans a whole lot easier. Since you're not wrestling with heavy gas cans over water, it also makes it less likely that you're going to accidentally spill some gasoline into the water. So if you regularly refuel your boat on a dock or on a lift, it's a tool that is definitely worth having.